Hello friends, in this video we are going to see marketplace module. Okay, this module is not yet launched. We'll be releasing it by this weekend or something, and it's almost complete. We have to just do final testing and release it. So what this module does is that the marketplace module allows you to create a marketplace inside a Siberian CMS, and this model works on top of Commerce Pro module. So you need to have Commerce Pro module before using this module. So what this module does is that it allows users to create store from the app itself. So any user can sign up and create store. And I have already created store in this app, so I'll able to edit store. So this create and edit store looks same. So see, this is the page when user tries to create store. You can just enter store information. So whatever information, uh, like whatever information was captured from editor, all those fields are available from mobile side actually. So as you can see, everything is there. You can just do all the settings that is needed for install from the mobile side. And one more thing, like when you create a store, we have created an approval system wherein you want the stores to automatically go live, or you need to have approval system. So if you do that setting, so user can create store and add products, but it won't be visible in the front end unless you approve it. So we have that part included. So now, as you can see, you can create store. And one more thing, one more extra additional thing that we have done is that we have uh, added a schedule system wherein you can just enter your store opening hours, and if you keep like this delivery slot as a required setting, so they need to select time and date, and it will validate with your entered information. So this is the new addition that we have done. And also there is one more interesting thing that we have added is that one piece was missing in basic commerce model, was that you wanted to charge customer based on the distance. So with this module, and with new update in commerce pro module, you will be able to add areas like delivery areas, and you can just select a range like this. Suppose and you can give any name, area 1, and you can mention the cost for that area, and you need to mention the radius. So for this 15 kilometer radius, I want to charge $10 or whatever. And likewise you can add multiple areas. So within a small screen actually we have added multiple settings. So as you can see, whatever uh, information you want to put, you can just enter any area to cost 20, and I can make radius 20. So for this first one, whenever user's address is mapped with the store address, and if the radius is less than 15, then the cost will be 10, and if it is more than 15 and less than 20, so it will be charged $20. So like this logic will work. So these two things are very important feature for any store actually. So we have added this, and we have added so many other settings. So this is the setting where you can mention required pickup and date, and if you keep it, you can keep it optional or required, and based on your hours of operation, it will validate this information. And you can add icon for store to be visible on the commerce pro front end. So this is like marketplace model is like a backend for your store, so you can manage your products and your store. And one more thing is like you can, in each store owner can add their own shipping, uh, payment gateway and shipping details, all those stuff. And they can add their own payment gateway settings. So amount will be transferred directly to those vendors. So this is going to be huge for any app actually. So so like your users can manage their store completely from within app, and we have created this model from the scratch, and everything is added by our team. So we have like put lots of efforts to build this, because this model was requested by many people. And this model doesn't work with basic commerce, because there are so many changes that needs to be done in the front end side, which is not available in commerce. So this works with Commerce Pro as of now, because we have done those changes in front end for Commerce Pro. Now I'll show you how, like suppose you got the order, and you can check your orders from here. So I can I'll be able to check my store's orders and edit from here, and even I can edit and see all the details. So this way, sorry, so I can see and I can edit, and I can manage my products. These are the two products I have already added. I can add new product by clicking here, or I can just edit any other product. So, I can just all the information that we used to do from the editor side, everything is available from front end side. And this we try to make the UI clean and simple, so everything is all the product options, categories, everything is available from mobile side. One thing to note here is that from the front end, because this is a marketplace model, we don't allow user to create categories. So categories will be created from editor side. So as a marketplace owner, you can create categories, and people can just select the categories that their product belongs to. So but and also options can be selected from here, but it can be created from the editor side only. So few things we have kept limited because of scenario, because we don't want to give complete control to user, because they can misuse the system. So this marketplace model allows them to access their own store, their own product and orders. That's it. So like each user will have their own different stores. So yeah, I think you get the idea. So from this marketplace model, you are able to just uh, manage your store and products, and like you can manage your orders. All the information whatever you are putting here will be visible on Commerce Pro module. So in our settings, actually this model setting in editor side, you just select the Commerce Pro module to be mapped to this model. Okay, now we have added some improvement to our Commerce Pro model. As you know, marketplace is not yet live. It will be released within a week. So today is I think 8 June, so it will be released uh, before 15th June. And there is no bug as of now, but still we are testing various scenario. And we have done like related changes to Commerce Pro model also. Commerce Pro is already live, and we have lifetime license still available for a couple of days, and we are going to close that option within a week. So if you have not bought it, if you want to buy lifetime license, please buy it now. And I'll show you some settings which we have done in Commerce Pro. So like same settings that we have done in Marketplace. Same thing, like you can add your uh, like time operation hours, and also delivery areas and charges. So all those settings that you see on Marketplace, same things are available from editor side also. And in front end, actually, we have also added one new setting for users to select the first view. So see, there are three views that is available right now. If you open Commerce Pro or Basic Commerce module, you see category page. But with this new setting, you can change the first page that users see. You can either select category page, or you can directly send him to product list page. Like it will, user will see the directly product page, because sometimes some stores don't have categories. So you can send them to product list, and third is store list. And if you are using this model as a marketplace model, so you might need to choose this store list. So this way, like, usually will be able to see all the stores first, and then they can select the store. So that store can be multiple restaurants, chain of restaurants, or multiple restaurants. And this model can be used for restaurants or various delivery systems that you might think of. The setting for stock, that you want to keep it mandatory or optional. And this is the payment gateway mapping actually. If you want to use it for marketplace, so there are various scenario, like you don't want to keep the money. Sometimes you want to work as a single gateway, like Amazon or Flipkart. Like Flipkart is an Indian brand, you may not be aware, so Amazon is a good example. So in multi-vendor single gateway, your gateway will be used. First store that you create will be used as payment method, and then you need to handle the payments for the vendors and all. And right now we are not calculating the commission, etc. as of now, but in future we want to add that as a feature. But right now, if you want to do that and manage on your own, then you can select this setting. And this is multi-vendor direct transfer to store. So this is like you want to use as marketplace, but store will be used, like payment gateway will be used for like used for the store. Then you can use this options, like, so whatever uh, payment information was entered by store owner, on those details will be used while making purchase. So you are not acting as a middleman here, so all the money will be transferred directly to vendor. And third one is single vendor multi stores. So it is like default option that we currently have, wherein we have multiple stores, but it all owns by a single vendor. Like you own everything, but you want to show multiple stores. So the basic current functionality that we have. So there are so many things that we have added. And this is the store setting, is like default store setting. Like suppose you want to select this multi vendor and single gateway, so which store is acts as your own main store. So this is the setting for that. And if you do that, all the payment will be transferred, or all the information will be used from this store. So these are very important and huge improvement to Commerce Pro. And with combination with marketplace model, it opens up many opportunities. And we are completely aggressively working on this, like Commerce Pro, marketplace, and social network model. We have done so many feature and improvement in couple of months. And in another next 1 or 2 months, we are going to add many features that you suggest. And we have planned many things. So we want your financial support too. And if you are really interested in this model, please support us, support us and buy this model. And description of this, like link of the model is given in the description. So hope you like this video, and please comment if you have any questions. Thank you.